Hey, what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I've never met a sparkle that I didn't like and a bully that I did, because being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So welcome to another episode of Mythical, Unearthly, and Makeup. For this episode, I thought I would talk about the amazing crystal that is Citrine. Citrine is one of my absolute favorite gems. It has amazing healing properties. I actually keep a piece of citrine by my bed every night and it just sits there all the time. I just love citrine. So of course I couldn't wait to do a video about it and create a look based around citrine. So I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to get into talking about why citrine is so awesome and creating a look inspired by the beauty of citrine. For my look, I had to use Ather Beauty's Joshua Tree palette as it contains crushed up citrine in the shadow. I also had to use Profusion's aptly named citrine palette because, well, obvious reason. Natural citrine is a premier stone of manifestation, imagination, and personal will. Carrying the power of the sun, it stimulates the chakras, clears the mind, and stirs the soul into action. Its frequency awakens creativity, imagination, and sustains the process of transforming dreams and wishes into tangible form. With its pure yellow energy, citrine encourages the fullness of life, fresh beginnings, and new pursuits. Natural citrine does not hold or accumulate negative energy, but rather transmutes and grounds it, making it extremely protective for the environment. Citrine works problems on both the physical and subtle levels, transforming negative thoughts and feelings into positive ones. It is one of only 2 crystals on Earth that never needs to be cleared, the other being kyanite. Citrine is a yellow variety of quartz, ranging in a color from pale golden yellow, honey, or almost brown, and may contain rainbow or sparkle inclusions. Its name comes from the French word citron, which means lemon. It has been used as a gem in Greece as far back as 3000 BC. Citrine is an excellent crystal for interpersonal relationships. Carrying citrine attracts love and happiness. Natural citrine tumbled stones placed where the light catches them clears unfriendly ghosts from the area. Sprinkle a citrine elixir weekly to prevent the negative energies from returning. Citrine healing properties can help with physical, emotional, and spiritual balance issues. Citrine opens the higher mind to accept joy in one's life, releasing anger and negative feeling, deep-seated fears, and destructive tendencies. Natural citrine's radiant yellow and gold energy activates, opens, and energizes the solar plexus and sacral chakras, directing personal power, creativity, and intelligent decisiveness to enhance the physical body. It's a wonderful crystal to aid in manifestation.